Ever wondered how a refrigerated truck is made? Let's take you behind the scenes. First of all, precision is key. Perfect insulation starts here. Strong and durable. Every piece matters. No gaps allowed. Strength meets precision. It's starting to take shape. Using CNC machines, high-tech precision. Sparks fly, but the result is flawless. Strong foundation, strong truck. All the components come together. The refrigerated truck is ready to hit the road. Which step surprised you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to follow for more cool content.